For the kitchen space, we wanted to bring a little bit more of that farmhouse feeling. However, we wanted to make sure that it actually felt as a part of the house as a whole. So that's why we pair the light gray cabinets with island accent by walnut finish, that we actually made a little bit of a process to make sure that it showed a little bit of character, a little bit of distress, and not a completely perfect finish. We brought this accent walnut on the beautiful kitchen hood that makes this a focal point for the kitchen. Family sharing time is the focus on every space, so we wanted to make sure that we had a generous space to seat everybody, to enjoy breakfast all together, and we decided to go with leather stools just for easy clean and headache-free lifestyle.